Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need an active Apple ID with iCloud and two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, you can create a relay address right away. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and choose Hide My Email. Make sure Mail and Contact Sync are enabled so addresses work across apps. Once you tap Hide My Email, press Create New Address and label it for the service you're using. This binds a random relay address to your account and keeps your real email private. Now you'll generate and apply the relay address in context. When creating an account or signing into a website, choose the Hide My Email option in the Autofill or Mail Address field, then select the relay you created. Once selected, the system forwards messages to your real inbox while keeping the service from seeing it. Make sure you label each address clearly so you can revoke or modify permissions later. This avoids confusion when managing multiple relay addresses. Finish by reviewing and managing your created addresses so you stay in control. Go to Settings, iCloud, Hide My Email to rename, deactivate, or permanently delete any relay address. Deactivation stops forwarding instantly. If you don't receive messages, make sure Mail is enabled, 2FA is working, and the sender didn't block relay domains. Once done, re-enable or recreate the address. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud to refresh your credentials and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.